A warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So let's start the topic. So we are continuing our topic, that is with the muscular system. And this cycle is repeated on another site of actin filament using the stored ATP energy, as it is well represented in the given diagram. How a ATP helps in the attachment of the myosin head towards the actin site. A schematic diagram is also given here, as this diagram represents how a relaxed muscles appears, and the second diagram represents a contracting muscle and the narrowing of the I band and the A band, and the third represents the fully contracted muscles, how the actin and the myosin filaments overlap with each other. So coming to the next topic, that is how a muscle contraction occurs. So basically starting from the physiology of the muscle contraction, the contraction of a skeletal muscle occurs or obeys all or none law. As the muscle fibers contraction is all or none, either all muscle fibers will contract or none of the muscle fibers will contract. And within a skeletal muscle, not all fibers may be stimulated during the same interval. Also, there are some different combinations of the muscle fibers which mainly helps in the contraction and may give differing responses. And the last is the graded responses, which represents the different degrees of the skeletal muscle shortening. Besides this, there is a stimulus which helps in the muscle shortening, which is also depends upon the types of the stimulus, and the rapid stimulus helps in the constant contraction or mainly involves and causing a tightening muscle contraction. So the next is the muscle force depends upon the number of the fibers stimulated, and the more fibers contracting results in the greater muscle tension, and the muscles can continue to contract unless they run out of the ATP or the calcium ions, and only one molecule of the ATP supplies the enough energy for one actin and the myosin cross bridging. So guys, hope so you all understand very well, and for more information please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So till then, take care.